Good morning, madam. Can I help you? Yes, I have a complaint. Yes, please. I bought this mixture grinder last week from your shop. It doesn't work properly. Let me see. What is the problem, madam? The grinder makes too much noise and doesn't grind anything fine, and the blender doesn't mix anything properly. I see. Does it have a guarantee? Yes, 1 year. Do you have the receipt, please? Yes, here it is. All right, madam. Leave the machine with us. I will send it to the company's workshop for repair. Can you change the piece or refund the money? We will change the piece if the fault can be repaired, but we can't refund the money. When I should come back? Next week, Thursday. All right, thank you.